Same
I'm gonna
time?
explain it though. No. We have a teacher who is always like, questions, concerns, weird noises. His name is Mr. Adams. He's kind of fabulous. This is one of our favorites. So, we're gonna give him some weird noises to go with. Are we gonna... You go first.
I don't know.
My mom is going to be so concerned.
She is.
Oh.
Oh my god, Jay.
I've got a lot of weird noises. Oh.
I was thinking about that.
Whoa. That should not be able to be that deep.
Whoa. What is that? Hold on. I can do that.
That's what... I can't breathe.
Ow. God. Papangaman style.
Dancing. It makes complete sense. With this.
I think we're done.
I think we're good. So, Mr. Adams,
Strange noises.
enjoy it. Do this. Your gun's not even in the
One of my eyes was bigger than the other. I got distracted.